今天就给大家介绍一款独轮车的握把灯棒，也就是说我们这里前后提手的这一个位置，它同样是通用老鸟的8对 S 山猫 L 大羚羊啊，它是配有2根，一根长线是装前面，然后短线是装后面。安装同样是很简单的啊。
Came from the block, now I'm here. From the curb to the boardroom. Told them we was coming, they ain't hear me. But now, we on the way to the top. We on the way to the top, baby. I remember cold nights with no heat, no dreams. Just a pocket full of hopes, that's all I believe. But my fam stayed with me. Life told me nah, but I told life wait. While I learned how to make it out of every gate. No gold spoon, just the streets and my pride. Left the trap behind to take this ride. Whole hood watched, said I wouldn't make it, but I moved in silence still. They couldn't shake it. Rack up, get the dream, then live it. Every struggle was a lesson, now I'm feeling gifted. From the block to the billboard, now they know my name. Every city, every coast, respect the game. Started with a plan and some faith in my crew, and now they see me moving like I always knew. We rise up, I'm putting on for the ones that been with me. From the gutter to the Grammy stage, y'all gon' feel me. From the block to the billboard, can't stop what we build. Every struggle turned into pure gold.
再把它中错的这根线拔掉原来的。原来尾灯电源线拔掉，再把插上去。Learn from the struggle, move with grace. Now I'm taking my shot in front of the race. We don't beg, we build, stand tall through the doubt. Now my story's what they all talk about, and I do it for the ones who stay 10 toes. Now we in the light, and the whole world knows. From the block to the billboard, can't stop what we built. Every struggle turned into pure gold. Turn my pain into silk. From the block to the billboard, success dripping like milk. Now they callin', now they see us. We built this empire on wheel. From the block to the billboard, we here now. From the block to the billboard, we gon' keep going. Yeah, the struggle turned into legacy. The struggle turned into victory.